Hey guys, welcome to my backyard. I am here to open up the March 2024 CatLadyBox. The tape is still on the box, so did I peek at it? Of course I did. I got this yesterday. I definitely looked at the contents, and you're gonna like this month, I hope. I loved last month. It was so cool. I wore that pink t-shirt all the time. Damn, I should have worn it for the video. All right, this is what it looks like. This is the contents. CatLadyBox, you can get two types of boxes. One with cat treats, and that's what I have. Or you can get like if your cat or cats don't play with any of the toys, you can get one minus the toys. I will leave a linky to the box, description box. Look at that. This is the art for this month's box. It's really cute. It is my Elena. She is a illustrator, and she did quite a cute illustration for this month. So all the goodies are listed on the content card with the prices. Wow, very transparent. Let's break the tape. Woohoo! And all right, let's do the treats first for the kitties. Let's get that out of the way. By the way, my cat Jane, she loves the one we got last month, that little blanket. She sleeps on it all the time. I put it in like a desk that you can open up and put your big hard drive thingy, you know, big monitor thingy thing, not monitor, you know, your computer in there. I don't have a big computer, I use a laptop. So she sleeps in there on her little rug, and it is so cute. If she's there, I'll take a picture and post it for this video, but I'm not sure if she's there. So this is the first toy, and it is a little like dragonfly thing on a stick. So you just unwind this like a little fishing pole and torment your cat. I think kittens would really love this. So she'll play with this, hopefully. And then we got, oh, let me give you the price of that. $6.99. It's a Razzle Dazzle Dragonfly wand toy. And then we got a little tiny mushroom. Isn't that cute? This is a cat nippity meow shroom. $5.99. It's gonna have your cat zooming in no time, and so it's stuffed with catnip. I love mushrooms. If she doesn't play with this, I'm gonna put this somewhere real cutesy. So those are the toys for the cats. Then let's just take out the big thing that I really think is the cutest. We got a trucker hat. Live in the meow, $17.99. You know, I'm not really a hat person, but what do you think? What do you think? Am I ready for my close-up, Mr. DeMille? It's cute. It's cute. I probably have to loosen it in the back. But here in Florida, I need a hat. I have all sorts of hats. This is really cute. And as a cat lover, I am so proud to wear it. It's adorable. It really is adorable. Okay, what else did we get? So chatty. I don't know why. Ooh, we got containers. $12.99. Feline Fresh Spring Stackers. 3 perfect containers for all your leftovers and baked goods. Of course, these are not microwave safe, and I definitely would not. Probably dishwasher safe, like on the top rung. It doesn't say, but here you go. And it has a really cute design. Oh, here, it's right there. Please do not microwave, but do tell your cat we said hello. So we got a threesome. Little lids, adorables. Adorbs. This is your regular containers. Let's be quite honest, I think the price is kind of high, but I don't set the pricing. I don't set the pricing, but it's very cute. Very cute. So there we go. And then the last thing is a t-shirt. And it is valued at $22.99. And it's a V-neck. Back is totally plain. Oh, it's nice and soft. It's soft and stretchy. My size is a medium. And this is actually running quite large. It's probably 60% cotton, 35 polyester, 5% Spanx. And it has a little logo right there. So really cute. Really cute. I like that it's stretchy because I like to tie my t-shirts in knots. You know why I do that? It makes me look thinner. That's why I do that. All right, quick recap. We got the really cool shirt. It's gray. We got the trucker hat. We got the containers, 3 containers. This is great to take to the beach. Always going to the beach. We got the really nice artwork. Her name is Elena Park Home & Co. And they give you her Instagram. Dumkart. Dumkart. We got 2 cat toys. This is for Jane. So what do you think? What do you think of the box? I think it is one of those happy boxes. Makes me happy. And I need that these days. I don't know about you, but I need something to put a smile on my face every single day. So it is A+ in my book. I'll leave the links below if you want to check it out. Check it out for yourself. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. I appreciate you watching, and come back and visit me soon. Bye.